Hello, welcome to a quick tutorial in Cinema4D R25. We're going to go over bar charts and other infographics. So if you go to this asset browser over here and go to objects, we can see that there's an infographics section where we have some handy presets. So if I click this first bar chart, double click that, it'll load that in to our scene. You can zoom out and take a look, and we got this cool bar chart. So if we expand, we can see that there's some things going on here. Here we can change the colors of our bars and our descriptions and our values. But when we're looking at these infographics, the only thing we really need to look at is the object here containing this Espresso tag. So if we click on this object, we can go down to the attributes manager down here, and we can see that we can change all these properties. So there's graph height. We can change the height of our overall graph. We can round out the bars. We can change how many bars there are. We can hide the values if we want, offset the values, change the bar number and height. So these are all, this functionality, being able to move the bar and the number at the same time, it's all kind of programmed in using this Espresso tag. So just to kind of demonstrate what's going on there, it's a bunch of nodes that are connected and doing some kind of math. It's kind of like coding in a way. And I'm going to really quickly just demonstrate how Espresso kind of works in a simple level. So if we make a cube really quick and we go to its coordinates, we can right click on the Y translation and go to expression set driver, and then go to the rotations and do expressions set driven relative. And now if I drag this cube, it's going to also rotate, because my driver is translate, my driven is rotate. So if I drag the cube, it's going to rotate, which is pretty cool. And if we go into this Espresso tag that was made when I did that, you can see that the cube position will now affect the rotation. So basically, what's going on with the bar chart is just a more complicated version of that in a way. So if we go back to our bar chart here and go to its attributes, we can actually animate these properties. So if we wanted to animate this height of this graph, we can set that to 0, click this button right here till it turns red. Then we can drag on our timeline, drag here, click it again, and now our bar chart's going to animate. Very cool. And there's some other ones to look at. We can take a look at this this graph chart. So let's check out the properties here. So we can go down to the user data, and we can change the width of this chart, vertical scale. We can change the values, and there's some other cool properties down there as well. Let's check out pie chart. So pie chart, if we click here, we can change how the chart is rotated. We can increase the gaps between our values, and then we can change the amounts of each category. So there's some interesting ones too. There's world map in here, and not sure exactly what this would be used for, to show population of continents or something, but again, so this one, we'd want to go down here to where this Espresso tag is, and now we can change our values over here. So these are some great infographics presets, and I hope this helped you to play around with them.